From the sun-drenched shores of the Iberian Peninsula to the rugged coastlines of the Italian islands, southern Europe presents a collection of beaches, a celebration of turquoise waters, golden sands, and dramatic cliffs. Our exploration takes us to the heart of the Mediterranean, where azure waters lap at the shores of Spain, Italy, southern France, and Portugal. Prepare to be captivated by hidden coves and vibrant marine life. Each grain of sand, each rocky outcrop tells a story. Join me as we delve into this world of unparalleled beauty. Our journey takes us across the Tyrrhenian Sea to the rugged coastline of Sardinia, where Cala Goloritzé lies nestled among towering limestone cliffs. A beach hailed as one of Italy's most breathtaking natural wonders. Accessible only by foot or by sea, a sight of astonishing beauty unfolds before your eyes. The iconic rock formation defines Cala Goloritzé, sculpted by wind and wave over millennia. The waters of Cala Goloritzé are as captivating as the landscape itself, crystal clear and shimmering with an almost unreal intensity of blue. The pebbled seabed, a mosaic of white and gray, is revealed in stunning detail. Schools of fish, their scales flashing silver, weave through the underwater rock formations. Above the surface, the sound of waves crashing against the cliffs echoes around the cove. Cala Goloritzé is a place to be awed by the sheer scale and grandeur of the natural world. And now, we journey back to the Balearic Islands, a group of islands known for their beauty and charm. Here, just off the coast of Ibiza, lies the island of Formentera, home to Plage de Palombaggia, a beach often compared to the Caribbean for its stunning white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. As we approach from the air, the colors are almost unbelievable. The vibrant blue of the Mediterranean Sea gently gives way to an impossible turquoise in the shallows, and then finally to the pure white of the sand. Playa de Palombaggia is a place where time stands still. Walking along the beach, the soft, fine sand caresses your feet, inviting you to slow down and savor the moment. Our journey takes us westward now, to the rugged coastline of the Algarve, Portugal. Here, the Atlantic Ocean has carved dramatic cliffs and hidden coves, each one a testament to the relentless power of nature. Among these natural wonders lies Praia da Marinha, often hailed as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. As we approach by boat, the first thing that strikes you is the sheer scale of the cliffs that rise majestically from the ocean. These towering limestone formations, sculpted by centuries of wind and wave erosion, are a tapestry of golden hues, their surfaces etched with intricate patterns and textures. They stand as silent guardians, protecting the beach from the outside world. But the true beauty of Praia da Marinha lies in its hidden coves and grottos, accessible only by water. We return now to the Balearic Islands, this time to the island of Mallorca, a UNESCO biosphere reserve. Nestled amongst the rugged cliffs and pine forests lies Cala Macarella, a hidden gem. Accessible only by foot or boat, Cala Macarella is a true sanctuary. The first glimpse of the beach takes your breath away. Towering limestone cliffs create a sense of seclusion and intimacy. The beach itself is relatively small, which only adds to its charm. There's a sense of intimacy here, a feeling that you've stumbled upon a secret that few others know. The shallow waters make it ideal for swimming. Cala Macarella is a place where you can truly disconnect from the outside world. From the turquoise islands of the Adriatic Sea, a unique and ever-changing landform emerges. This is Zlatni Rat Beach, a striking symbol of Croatia's captivating coastline. Its name, meaning golden horn or golden cape, speaks to its most defining feature: a long, narrow spit of land that juts out into the sea like an outstretched finger. But Zlatni Rat is no static monument. This dynamic environment attracts adventurers from across the globe, drawn by the promise of exhilarating experiences. Among them are windsurfers, who find in Zlatni Rat a playground unlike any other. The prevailing winds, channeled by the island's topography, create ideal conditions for this exhilarating sport. Zlatni Rat is always in motion. Off the coast of Sicily, nestled within the Balearic Islands, lies a secluded paradise known as Cala Rossa. This hidden gem, tucked away on the island of Favignana, is a haven for those seeking solace and natural splendor. But Cala Rossa's beauty lies not just above the surface. Octopuses, masters of camouflage, cling to the rocky seabed, their tentacles weaving through the swaying seagrass. Divers and snorkelers alike are drawn to this underwater Eden, eager to witness the magic that unfolds beneath the waves. The coastline is full of rugged cliffs and hidden coves, sculpted over millennia by the relentless forces of the sea. The bay was once the site of a fierce naval battle between the Romans and Carthaginians. Today, remnants of the past, both above and below the water, serve as a reminder of the island's rich and storied past. On the French island of Corsica, where rugged mountains meet the azure waters of the Mediterranean, lies a beach that embodies the very essence of paradise. This is Plage de Palombaggia, a symphony of white sand, turquoise waters, and verdant pines. Stretching for over a mile along Corsica's southern coast, Palombaggia is a vision of unspoiled beauty. Its fine, white sand, soft as powdered sugar, invites visitors to shed their shoes and reconnect with the earth. The waters here are a mesmerizing shade of turquoise, so clear that one can see the ripples of the seabed below. Sheltered from the open sea by a string of rocky islets, Palombaggia offers calm and inviting waters, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply basking in the sun's warm embrace. Towering behind the beach, a dense forest of umbrella pines creates a striking contrast against the azure sky. Palombaggia is a place where one can truly escape the modern world and reconnect with nature's simple pleasures. The Algarve, a region sculpted by the relentless power of the Atlantic Ocean, is home to some of Europe's most captivating coastal landscapes. Here, towering cliffs, painted in hues of gold and ochre, stand as guardians to secluded coves and sun-drenched shores. Among these treasures lies Praia Donna Ana, a beach renowned for its dramatic beauty. As we approach from the sea, the sheer scale of the cliffs is breathtaking. The waters here shimmer with an almost unreal clarity, their turquoise depths reflecting the brilliance of the sky above. Gentle waves create a soothing soundtrack, inviting relaxation. The crescent of golden sand is surprisingly spacious. Sunbathers soak up the warmth of the Portuguese sun. Sheltered by towering cliffs, Praia Donna Ana offers tranquility hard to find amidst bustling crowds. The island of Sardinia, a jewel in the heart of the Mediterranean, is renowned for its rugged beauty and pristine coastline. Here, towering mountains plunge dramatically into the azure waters, creating a landscape of dramatic contrasts and breathtaking vistas. Nestled along this captivating coastline lies Cala Luna, a beach that feels as though it has been plucked straight from the pages of a fantasy novel. At the base of the towering cliffs, a series of caves penetrate deep into the rock face, shrouded in shadow and mystery. Cala Luna, a crescent of fine white sand, contrasts with the rugged cliffs. The crystal-clear, turquoise waters invite us to cool off from the Sardinian sun. Cala Luna is a place where rugged beauty meets serene tranquility. On the southernmost tip of Spain, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Mediterranean Sea, lies a region steeped in history and blessed with breathtaking natural beauty. This is Tarifa. Amongst the rolling dunes and pristine beaches of Tarifa lies Playa de Bologna. As we stroll along the shore, the vastness of the beach is immediately apparent. Stretching for over 4 kilometers, the fine, golden sand seems to stretch endlessly towards the horizon. But Playa de Bologna is more than just a beautiful beach. Scattered amongst the dunes, half buried by the shifting sands, lie the ruins of Baello Claudia, an ancient Roman city that once thrived on this very spot. Beyond the ruins, towering above the beach, lies a massive sand dune, the Duna de Bologna. From its summit, we can see the Strait of Gibraltar, the narrow gateway between Europe and Africa. Our journey along the southern European coast takes us next to France, to a place where the land meets the sea in a truly spectacular fashion. This is Calanque d'Envaux, a breathtaking fjord carved over millennia by the relentless forces of nature. The steep cliffs that enclose the Calanque provide a dramatic backdrop for adventure seekers. Calanque d'Envaux is not easily reached, accessible only by boat or a challenging hike. This isolation, however, has been its saving grace, preserving its pristine beauty and air of tranquility. It is a place where one can truly feel at one with nature, surrounded by the raw power and splendor of the Mediterranean. Our journey now takes us back to the French coastline. This is Plage de l'Espiguette, a vast expanse of untouched coastline stretching for miles along the Languedoc-Roussillon region. Here, the wind and the waves have sculpted a landscape of dramatic beauty, a stark contrast to the manicured beaches found elsewhere. Towering sand dunes, some reaching heights of over 30 feet, dominate the landscape. The beach itself is a wild and untamed stretch of golden sand, pounded by the relentless waves of the Mediterranean. It's a symphony of nature's raw power. Praia de Faleja, in Algarve, with its golden sands and azure waters, is a spectacle of nature. Towering cliffs, their warm ochre hues contrasting the deep blue Atlantic, create a stunning backdrop. Stretching for over 6 kilometers, Praia da Falesia is a ribbon of golden sand, inviting leisurely strolls. The gentle waves kiss the shore, creating a soothing soundtrack for your walk. Sunbathers bask in the warmth, their colorful umbrellas adding vibrancy to the landscape. The beach is a mosaic of colors, with each umbrella creating a unique spot of shade. Children build sandcastles, their laughter carried by the breeze. Their joy is infectious, adding a lively energy to the serene surroundings. As the day ends, the setting sun paints the sky in hues of gold and crimson. The long shadows stretch across the sand, creating a picturesque scene. Evening strolls along the shore, with the calm sea reflecting the last light of the day, create a serene end to a perfect day. The tranquility of the evening is a perfect contrast to the vibrant day, making Praia da Falesia a timeless destination. The coastline of Sardinia, a land steeped in history and blessed with breathtaking beauty. Tucked away on the eastern coast, we discover Cala Macarella, a secluded cove accessible only by sea or a challenging hike. This isolation has helped preserve its pristine beauty, making it a true hidden gem of the Mediterranean. Unlike the expansive sandy beaches we've seen so far, Cala Macarella welcomes us with a shore of smooth white pebbles, polished by the ceaseless motion of the waves. These pebbles, reflecting the sunlight, create a dazzling spectacle, their colors shifting with the changing light. Towering limestone cliffs embrace the cove, their sheer faces adorned with verdant vegetation. The contrast between the bright white pebbles, the turquoise water, and the verdant cliffs creates a visual symphony, a testament to nature's artistry. Mallorca, the largest of the Balearic Islands, a land of rugged mountains, verdant valleys, and idyllic beaches. Nestled on the southern coast, we find Es Trenc, a beach that stands apart for its unspoiled beauty and natural splendor. Unlike many of the developed beaches along the Mallorcan coastline, Es Trenc remains largely untouched by human hands. Flanked by sand dunes and pine forests, the beach is part of a protected natural park, a sanctuary for both wildlife and those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The sand here is soft and powdery, a brilliant white that dazzles under the Mediterranean sun. It stretches for over 2 kilometers, a pristine canvas upon which nature paints its ever-changing masterpiece. The waters of Es Trenc are equally inviting. Shallow and crystal clear, they shimmer in hues of turquoise and emerald, inviting visitors to wade in and experience their refreshing embrace. The natural beauty of Es Trenc is a sight to behold, but it is the sense of peace and tranquility that truly sets it apart. The rugged coastline of France's Basque Country. Here lies the Plage de la Côte des Basques. In the 1950s, a film crew introduced surfing to these shores. Today, the Plage de la Côte des Basques remains a magnet for surfers of all levels. Seasoned veterans carve through the waves with effortless grace, nestled between the dramatic cliffs of the Basque coast and the elegant architecture of Biarritz. Every year, it hosts numerous surfing competitions, drawing enthusiasts from around the world. One of the key events in its history was the 1957 Makaha International Surfing Championships, which brought global attention to the beach. Festivals and events continue to honor this heritage, making Plage de la Côte des Basques a timeless beacon for the surfing community. And now, we journey to the westernmost reaches of the Iberian Peninsula. This is Comporta, a hidden gem on the Portuguese coast, where tranquility reigns supreme. Comporta is a place where one can truly escape the clamor of modern life, to reconnect with nature's simple pleasures. What sets Comporta apart from many other coastal havens is its unique landscape. Here, the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean meets an equally impressive expanse of rice paddies, creating a tapestry of textures and colors that is both unexpected and breathtaking. These rice paddies, with their intricate network of waterways and ever-changing hues, are a sight to behold. Comporta is a true sanctuary, a place where one can witness the beauty of nature in its most unspoiled form. Our journey now takes us north, across the Iberian Peninsula, to the northeasternmost point of mainland Spain, the Cap de Cruz. Here, the Pyrenees Mountains plunge dramatically into the Mediterranean Sea, creating a rugged and breathtaking coastline that has captivated artists and poets for centuries. Battered by the Tramontana, a fierce wind that sweeps down from the Pyrenees, the Cap de Cruz stands defiant, its rocky headlands sculpted into fantastical shapes by the relentless forces of nature. The rocks here whisper tales of ancient seas, of volcanic eruptions, and of the relentless forces that have shaped our planet over millennia. Beyond the geological marvels, Cap de Cruz is a haven for biodiversity. It's a place where one can witness the raw beauty of the Earth's creation. From the sun-drenched shores of Spain to the dramatic cliffs of Portugal, our journey through southern Europe's most captivating beaches draws to a close. The sights we've witnessed and the emotions we've experienced will linger. These beaches are gateways to new experiences and different cultures. They remind us of the importance of preserving these natural wonders. Embrace the spirit of adventure and create your own unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.